Hello, friend. Transform your home with the latest smart gadgets. From voice-controlled lights to security cameras that keep you safe, these devices make life easier and more enjoyable. Discover how technology can enhance your daily routine. Imagine a home where lights turn on with your voice, your coffee brews on schedule, and security cameras keep watch. Smart plugs, speakers, and cameras all work together to make life easier. Let's explore the world of home gadgets that bring comfort and convenience to your doorstep. Thanks. Let's start the video.
Kasa Indoor Pan Tilt Smart Security Camera. The Kasa Indoor Pan Tilt Smart Security Camera provides comprehensive home monitoring with its 360-degree horizontal and 180-degree vertical range. Equipped with 1080p HD video, it delivers clear, sharp images, even in low light thanks to its night vision capability. The camera offers motion and sound detection, sending instant alerts to your smartphone when activity is detected. You can view live footage, record clips, and communicate via two-way audio through the Kasa app. The compact design allows for easy installation anywhere in your home. With secure cloud storage options, your recordings are safe and accessible anytime. The Kasa camera is perfect for keeping an eye on your home, pets, or loved.
Level Lock Plus Connect Wi-Fi Smart Lock Plus. The Level Lock Plus Connect Wi-Fi Smart Lock Plus offers a seamless blend of security and convenience. With a sleek design, it fits invisibly into your door, providing keyless entry via your smartphone. Compatible with Apple HomeKit and Amazon Alexa, it integrates effortlessly with your smart home ecosystem. Built with precision, this lock is easy to install and operates on a long-lasting battery. Its advanced encryption ensures top-notch security, while remote access allows you to manage your lock from anywhere. The Level Lock combines aesthetic appeal with cutting-edge technology for ultimate home security.
Etymotic High-Fidelity Earplugs. Etymotic High-Fidelity Earplugs deliver clear, natural sound while protecting your hearing. Designed for musicians and concert-goers, they reduce noise evenly across all frequencies, preserving sound quality. These earplugs offer up to 20 dB of noise reduction without muffling speech or music. Their discreet, low-profile design ensures a comfortable fit for long wear. Made from durable, hypoallergenic materials, they're reusable and easy to clean. Ideal for various noisy environments, they help prevent hearing damage while allowing you to enjoy the full audio experience. Etymotic earplugs are the perfect blend of protection and sound fidelity.
Kasa Smart Plug Mini 15A. The Kasa Smart Plug. Mini 15A offers seamless control of your home devices with just a tap on your smartphone. Compact and easy to install, it fits into any outlet without blocking adjacent plugs. This smart plug is compatible with Alexa, Google Assistant, and SmartThings, allowing voice control for hands-free convenience. Schedule your appliances to turn on or off automatically, saving energy and enhancing security. With the Kasa app, you can manage devices remotely from anywhere. Its 15A capacity supports larger appliances like air conditioners. The Kasa Smart Plug Mini combines practicality with smart home innovation.
Echo Dot 5th Gen. The Echo Dot 5th Gen is a compact yet powerful smart speaker that brings Alexa's capabilities to any room. With improved sound quality, it delivers crisp vocals and balanced bass, perfect for music, podcasts, and audiobooks. The sleek, spherical design fits seamlessly into any decor. Use voice commands to control smart home devices, get weather updates, set reminders, and more. The Echo Dot also features privacy controls, including a microphone off button. With Bluetooth and Wi-Fi connectivity, you can stream content from various services. The Echo Dot 5th Gen is an affordable and versatile addition to your smart home setup.